efforts are also ramping up to find contact tracers. This is something that we've been covering for several months now. In fact, the Bay Area is in the forefront of training these contact tracers. Janelle Wang joins us now on a free program to learn the ins and outs of this program. Janelle.
Yeah, Raj, UCSF and Salesforce, they are teaming up together, and today they launched a new training course on contact tracing. You can sign up, anybody can sign up, it is free. Now, Dr. Reid, an assistant professor of medicine at UCSF, is helping to spearhead this effort. He knows all about contact tracing, helping to train thousands with the State Department of Public Health in the past 4 months. Now, this free course is 3.5 hours on the TRAILHEAD app. That's by Salesforce. It's to whet your appetite on contact tracing, but it also provides a lot of information on understanding the pandemic itself.
Anybody can take this course?
Yeah, I mean, the more the merrier. I think, we want as many people to take the course as possible, because I think, even if you don't go into this line of work, understanding what we're doing is important. Look, out there right now, there's a lot of misinformation about what contact tracing involves, what kind of questions we're going to ask. And if this is a tool for the general public to understand better why this work is so crucial to the pandemic response, I want to make sure that as many people can take the course as want to. Look, my motivation here in San Francisco is to ensure that we have enough contact tracers to reach those populations in San Francisco that have been most profoundly impacted by COVID-19. And so we're really looking for contact tracers that speak Spanish, that are really dedicated to reaching those vulnerable populations here in the city that need to access the resources to stay safe and to stay disease-free. And so those are the folks we're most interested in working with moving forward.
Okay. Yeah, speaking Spanish, such a bonus, since essential workers, many of them from the Latino community, are most affected by this pandemic, especially here in the Bay Area. So if you're interested, this free course could be your stepping stone. As for the best personality traits for this job, Dr. Reid says it's people who are compassionate, people who believe and want to promote health equity, and people who are just curious. All you have to do is download the TRAILHEAD app. It's by Salesforce, and you can sign up. The course is free on that app. So it's contact tracing, such a big part of the movement here in the Bay Area to prevent this virus from spreading, and it's important if somebody is infected to get in touch with anybody they may have been in close contact with and to make sure they quarantine. Jessica?
So necessary.
Yeah, you mentioned just Spanish, Vietnamese, Hindi, Mandarin. There's a lot of people and communities that can really be impacted here. Thank you, Janelle.